Today, in this video, I'm going to show you my graduation day. It was on February 20th, 2019. It was a very special day for me because I got the wonderful opportunity to express the vote of thanks behalf of my class UKG Capricorn 2019. I'm very thankful to my dear teacher Fatima Yusuf for giving me such an opportunity to express the vote of thanks. Thank you, Fatima ma'am. Thank you so much. So let us watch my graduation and my vote of thanks speech.
Good evening all. I, Fatima Yusuf, class teacher of UKG Capricorn, am very proud to stand before an esteemed gathering such as this. Today, I'm flooding with all the wonderful memories of these past 2 years. As these children now stand at an important milestone of their life, I am left with perplexed emotions and attachments towards these little graduates. I have had a good fortune of not only teaching them, but also greatly inspired by the sense of optimism and innocence. Your ward may be one of 27 in my class, but each of these 27 are all special as they embrace and cherish this new beginning. However, without your support, my dear parents, it wouldn't have been possible for me to expend an effort towards your ward. Dear parents, let's applaud and celebrate each of these inquisitive minds and confident hearts as they come up on stage and receive their graduation scrolls. To do the honors, may I request Mr. Arul Dharmaraj and our principal, Mr. Mahesh Iyer, to come on the stage. As the children come up on stage to receive their scrolls, I request everyone here to kindly encourage them with a huge round of applause. Please put your hands together for the very talented and melodious singer, Henna. A smart and active child with lots of potential. She's a quick learner with a melodious voice. It's time to close the moment with a picture. Respected guests, I request your presence.
Kindergarten is a garden of children wherein we find the hope of future. In a lot of tiny plants with blossoming buds. Tonight is the time of transplantation of the emerging seedlings to beyond the boundaries of kindergarten to bear the fruits of future. Yes, this is a very joyous occasion, the graduation day ceremony of UKG Capricorn Bhavan's Smart Indian School, Kuwait. Greetings to our chief guest, Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, Supervisor Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my fellow graduates. I, Henna Dina Bibin, wish to express the vote of thanks on behalf of UKG Capricorn. For the past 2 years, we were growing in this wonderful garden under the guidance of our principal sir, Mr. Mahesh Iyer, and supervision of Supervisor Ma'am, Mrs. Rajni Menon, and not to forget the care and affection of our class teacher, Mrs. Fatima Yusuf. Fatima ma'am, you have laid the foundation in our heart, nourished it with your love, care, and knowledge. You taught us to learn and led us to the world of knowledge. Ma'am, wherever we go and whatever we learn, you will be our first teacher and you will stay in our heart. Thank you, Fatima ma'am. We love you. We would like to extend our thanks to all driver uncles and aunties who pick us up early in the morning and drop us back home safely. We extend our thanks to all aunties who help to stay clean and hygienic. Finally, we thank our parents who selected the smartest school in Kuwait to get the right start in our educational expedition. Above all, we thank the Lord Almighty for showering His blessings on us. My dear friends, Buffalo graduates, congratulations! This is our day, precious and close to our hearts. So, take a deep breath, cherish each moment of it, and rejoice. Thank you all.
Beyond Borders.
So friends, have you watched my graduation day video? Thank you. Friends, did you like it? Okay, did you forget to subscribe? What are you waiting? Subscribe right now. I will come soon with another video.